Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered if you could turn back the clock with your food choices? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm revealing 7 anti-aging foods that can make you look a decade younger. Let's dive in. First up, blueberries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, keeping your skin looking fresh and youthful. Snack on them, toss them in your yogurt, or blend them into a smoothie. Next, we have avocados. Rich in healthy fats, avocados hydrate your skin from the inside out. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins E and C, which are essential for skin health. Try adding some slices to your salad or spreading on toast. Number 3 on our list is nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. These are excellent sources of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain your skin's elasticity and glow. A handful a day keeps the wrinkles at bay. Moving on, we can't forget about leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are full of vitamin K and antioxidants, aiding in skin repair and reducing dark circles. Throw them in a smoothie or salad for a nutrient boost. Fifth, let's talk about sweet potatoes. High in beta-carotene, sweet potatoes can help soften your skin and protect it from UV damage. Roast them, mash them, or even make sweet potato fries. Number 6 is fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your skin thick and moisturized. Plus, they help reduce inflammation, keeping your skin looking smooth and healthy. And finally, dark chocolate. Yep, you heard me right. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants that can protect your skin from sun damage and improve blood flow, giving you a radiant glow. Just remember to go for the high cocoa content, at least 70% or more. There you have it, folks. 7 amazing foods that can help you look and feel younger. Incorporate these into your diet and watch the magic happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Stay healthy and vibrant. Cheers.
Subscribe to Nourish Nest.